drop squat to overhead press. So what does it mean? So basically, I just hold my dumbbell like that with my legs closed like that, alright, and bring it up and come down, and I'll do a squat or drop squat, alright, and come back, jump back to the original position, and bring up the dumbbells again, come down and drop, come back and go back up. Okay, okay, so variation. If you do not want to have any jumping, what you can do is just open your legs wide this way and move your shoulder up, down, and squat, up and squat. So this is the variation for people who do not wish to jump.